Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and this video I will show you how to make some realistic spider physics in Scratch. So let's get started. So let's make a new sprite. Let's make something random. Let's put, I don't know, a red circle. That's very random. And with 4D outline. That looks pretty cool. And let's make it a face. That will be nice. Oh wait, that's a lot. Let's put 23. Okay, that's better. I want to copy and paste. This is only because that for me it looks pretty cool. But you can do anything you want. Maybe you can put a scratch pad. That looks amazing. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Well, I think this is like a ball. Okay, so let's get started. So, first we'll click in extensions. I will pick the pen extension. Okay, so when I clicked, erase all, got to here, set pen size to 2, set pen color, well this, uh, almost black, looks pretty cool, so I'm going to put that color. Now we'll make some variables. So, gravity for all sprites. Well, all of the variables will be for all sprites. Target X. Well, it doesn't matter because this is only one sprite. So you can put it for the sprite only or for all sprites. Well, I'm going to put it for sprites. So target Y, timer. No, timer no, sorry. I want to put that so we can add the thumbnail hack that I put in the video, but I think that not. Well, Xbow, Ybow, and guys, comment down below if you want back the Spiderman tutorials. It was pretty cool. Okay, well, let's continue. So, set Xbow and Ybow to 0 and set gravity to negative 0.5. Forever, set target X and target Y to mouse X and mouse Y. Okay, now we'll put 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Change X bow, change Y bow, and change Y bow. In the last Y bow, we'll put gravity And in the x1 variable, well, we will put a divide in both, in a minus in the left side. Okay, so target x, and in the variable target y, minus x position in the target x1, and y position in the y. Oh, and divide by 10 in both. Okay, now open down, change x and y to x bill and y bill, and set x bill and set y bill to, so put a times in both, so x bill times 0.95 and y bill times 0.95. Okay, and finally we'll add when we press the spacebar, we will erase so all of the drama will go back to normal. What the game? Well, it works. So we'll finish that. But now let's check the final thing. Well, as I said, spacebar, erase all. Okay, and also go to x and y, 0 and 0, and set x bill and y bill to 0. There we have the game. Well, so it works kind of like spider physics. It's like you're putting a lot of webs, space. Okay, that's good. And if we put it there, look, that looks pretty cool. Look, there's like a portal in there. Okay, oh, the game works. It's pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So bye bye.